More TVs repair. UN65TU7000. So that's the TV, the back. And this one we need to fix the tuner. The RF plug is missing. The solder crack is over there. As you can see, this tuner, it has two connectors over there. And one of them should be the one for the RF and the other one should be the ground. So this connector here, you can see the pin is going from the metal. It's going to the first one. To the one here. Then the RF center pin is go here. Alright, let me show you how I'm gonna do this one here. This RF here is look like it's the right one from this board. Yeah, the same size, same everything. You can see it. And we can see the pin. You can see the center pin is going all the way to the signal hole. This looks a little bit different, but it will work. I'm gonna try to pull that pin.
So that's the pin. So let's just crack it if I can. So I'm gonna need to unsolder it. Maybe somehow put the hot air.
So let's put a little flux in the part that we're gonna solder. So I soldered the center pin first. This center pin is soldered to this one, not to the one before it. So let's go all the way to this one here. Now if you can see it, soldered to this one here.
So we go the solder all over it. It's good to put more solder.
Looks good. You can see the solder all around it. Should be good and strong now. At the same time, we put some solder on the center pin. Like that. Yep, it's good. So the center pin, it has a low ohm to the ground. Yep, it's good. Yep. Looks great. So that's the RF plug that we put it. And we have the channel. So the job is done. So yeah, this is all for this video, and see you next one. Yeah, that's the Samsung. Let's power it on and we test the channel. Yeah, it's in the TV.
I know that you've been wanting to set.
Okay, let me.
Yeah, I do, but I don't want you feeling pressure.
Yep. So the cable plug, it works.